I'm going to show you how to get your money back on PayPal if you got scammed. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to paypal.com and sign into your account. And then you want to look for the transaction that you made. So for example, this one here, click on it. And then you want to scroll down and click on report a problem. And this should open up a new page in the PayPal Resolution Center. And then select the issue, whether you have issues with your purchase, such as the item is not received, the item or the service, or issues with the seller, it's not responding or satisfied with the seller's offer. You can also scroll down here to find the unauthorized activity if you suspect someone else used your PayPal or your card was stolen or basically hacked. And depending on the problem, you can choose one of these and just click on it. And now you will need to proceed to filling the data about the problem. So for example, if you haven't received an item, you will need to fill out the item name, type, and category, and the quantity, and then press continue. And then select whether if you haven't received the service or the service was canceled by the seller and press continue. And then you will need to provide more details about when the cancellation happened and the expected refund amount and stuff like that. And then press continue and tell them whether you have contacted the seller and provide more details. They will also ask you to provide any proof or documents. So for example, you can upload screenshots of messages, receipts, or order details or tracking information if it's relevant to the order or transaction. And then you got to send it to PayPal. You can also provide additional details here and then submit the request to PayPal, and they will look into it and get back to you as soon as possible. And some important notes to know here is that goods and services payments are usually protected, but if you used family and friends payments, these are typically not covered and you can't basically recover them, or it's at least hard unless it's potentially unauthorized access or stuff like that. And if you paid using a credit card or a debit card, you can also contact your bank for a chargeback directly from the bank. You can tell them that somebody basically used your card without your authorization, or maybe your card was stolen. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.